So hello everyone, on today's video we will see iOS Instagram for any Android device, so let's get started. iOS Instagram has a lot of different improvements that give the user an edge over other Instagram users. iOS Instagram for Android is a free application that allows you to connect to your Instagram account from your mobile device. This app does not contain the ads that are posted on the official Instagram app. iOS Instagram for Android lets you download photos and videos, upload your own content with better quality, and also lets you see others' stories and read messages without being seen. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.